PTV, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Cadet First Class, Floyd Neymar Neve Mayuga Pescado, Datu Abdullah Sangki, Maguindanao. Cadet First Class, Efren Carbonel Reyes Jr., San Juan, La Union. Cadet First Class, Harley Rama Kibod, Antipolo City. Cadet First Class, Fritz Patrick Valladolid Cordero, Las Piñas City.
Cadet First Class, Sami Balagso Alwing, Tabuk City. Cadet First Class, Gino Paulo Valeros Gonzaga, Sapad, Lanao del Norte. Cadet First Class, Jonica Tuginay Naboye, Hingyon, Ifugao. Cadet First Class, Mary Wendrith Moreno Velasco, San Carlos City. Cadet First Class, Abigail Jean Barangan Laturnas, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Cadet First Class, Glenn Daniel Gabertan, Victoria, Tarlac. Cadet First Class, Daniel Paul Ebalang Pascual, Baguio City. Cadet First Class, John D.M. Dumagin Silva, La Libertad, Negros Oriental. Cadet First Class, Jomar Laureano Ladislao, Binmaley, Pangasinan. Cadet First Class, Aldrin J. Yaranon Pilor, Malacanang Park, Manila.
Cadet First Class, John Benedict Guerrero Cariaga, Taguig City. Cadet First Class, Romeo Javier Aleman Jr., Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Cadet First Class, Kesley John Ray Nakila Maligro, Consolacion, Cebu. Cadet First Class, Kay Minya Robles, Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Cadet First Class, Ian Ray Cito Nartea, Carigara, Leyte. Cadet First Class, George Alan Panganiban Makalintal, Lipa City. Cadet First Class, Mark Joseph Pacnis Rante, Ballesteros, Cagayan Valley. Cadet First Class, James Flores Bacolores, San Juan, Ilocos Sur. Cadet First Class, Moncherie Franz Montalobo Schnitzler, Nagilian, Isabela. Cadet First Class, Neil Harvey Patulot Perido, Tansa, Cavite.
Cadet First Class, Phoebe Ojica Lagrada Dalonos, Puerto Princesa City. Cadet First Class, Donald Castañeda Cabaruan, Gataran, Cagayan. Cadet First Class, Anselmo Fornolles Mata III, Cabacan, North Cotabato. Cadet First Class, Carl David Bedillo Lozardo, Quezon City. Cadet First Class, Alison Franz Valdueza Bravo, Davao City. Cadet First Class, Jerome Manongsong Aksalan, Baco, Oriental Mindoro. Cadet First Class, John Jet Vargas Saltarin, Legazpi City. Cadet First Class, Ralph Main Ungos Daduya, Calasiao, Pangasinan.